Some battles are not fought in stadiums. Some victories are not won on stage. Some comebacks begin in hospital rooms. A cricketer fought cancer and returned to score his highest ODI score. A renowned actress fought cancer and returned to inspire millions. A filmmaker fought cancer and went on to create stories that touched hearts. A famous Bollywood actress fought cancer and became a voice for early detection. Their stories remind us of one thing: cancer is not the end of the story. With courage, care, and the right treatment, life can rise again. This National Cancer Survivors Day, ShardaCare Healthcity salutes every cancer fighter, survivor, caregiver, and family. They fought, they returned, they rose. So can you. And your comeback can begin today.